Do you offer English classes? Yes, we do. What level are you interested in? When do the English classes start? The next session begins next Monday. How much do the classes cost? The fee is $200 per month. Is there a beginner class? Yes, we have a beginner class on Tuesdays. Can I join the English class now? Yes, you can join anytime. How long is each class? Each class is 2 hours long. Are the classes online or in person? We offer both options. What time are the classes? We have morning and evening sessions. Do you have evening classes? Yes, the evening class starts at 6 p.m. Is there a placement test? Yes, you'll take a test to determine your level. How many students are in a class? Each class has about 10 to 15 students. Can I register online? Yes, you can register through our website. What level is this class? This is an intermediate level class. Is there homework? Yes, there's homework after each class. Do you provide textbooks? Yes, the textbook is included in the course fee. When is the next enrollment? Enrollment is open until Friday. Are there weekend classes? Yes, we have classes on Saturday mornings. Who is the teacher? Mr. Smith teaches the advanced class. Do you have advanced classes? Yes, we have an advanced class on Thursday evenings. How many levels do you offer? We offer 5 levels from beginner to advanced. What is the class schedule? Classes are held on Mondays and Wednesdays. Can I take a trial class? Yes, you can attend 1 class for free. Is there a certificate after completion? Yes, you'll receive a certificate. Do you have conversation classes? Yes, we have a conversation class on Fridays. Are the teachers native speakers? Yes, all our teachers are native speakers. What is the refund policy? You can get a full refund within the first week. How can I improve my speaking skills? We recommend joining the conversation class. Do you offer one-on-one tutoring? Yes, private lessons are available. Is there a discount for multiple classes? Yes, we offer a 10% discount if you enroll in 2 classes. Can I start in the middle of a course? Yes, you can join at any time.